Greetings to all members of the committee, professors, researchers, and fellow participants. Imagine growing up with newspaper and television as your main source of information. And today, you search for information in digital platform. But instead of getting information easily, you're now surrounded by fake news that looks real and is highly convincing. Sounds challenging, right? This is the reality Generation X face today. As AI-generated fake news continues to spread, the question is, can Generation X detect AI-generated fake news? This question led to our research, which I am honored to present at the 13th International Conference on ICT for Smart Society. My name is Mika Lakani, and together with Ms. Fitri Handayani from BINUS University, Indonesia. Today, I'm pleased to present our research titled Examining Digital Literacy and Digital Skepticism in Generation X Ability to Detect AI-Generated Fake News. This presentation will be divided into 6 sessions. The first one is Introductions, Literature Review, Methodology, Result and Discussion, Conclusion, and lastly, Recommendation. So, the background of this research is because the rapid increased spread of AI-generated fake news each year. According to data, in Indonesia, AI-generated fake news cases has increased by 550% in 2024, with 1,923 reported hoax cases. This trend is particularly concerning for Generation X, who were born between 1965 and 1980. They experience the shift between traditional and new media. As they adopt digital technologies later in life, they may be vulnerable in detecting AI fake news. According to data, 16% of Generation X had unintentionally shared false information, while 64% report difficulty in identifying fake news. However, despite this concern, most studies focus on younger generations, leaving Generation X underexplored. Therefore, these studies will fill this gap by examining how digital literacy and digital skepticism can help Generation X to detect AI-generated fake news. Now let's move on to the literature review. The first one is digital literacy. Digital literacy goes beyond technical skills and include the ability to critically evaluate and use digital information in a responsible manner. This study adopts Hoops framework, which consists of 5 core digital competencies, include access, analyze and evaluate, create, reflect, and act. Previous studies by Moore and Hancock have shown that digital literacy can improve individuals' ability to detect misinformation. The next is digital skepticism, which refers to an individual's tendency to evaluate digital information before accepting it as true. This study adopts the epistemic vigilance theory by Sperber, which consists of 2 dimensions. Source vigilance focuses on the credibility and honesty of the source, and information vigilance focus on evaluating whether the informations align with individuals' prior knowledge and experience. Previous studies found that individuals with higher level of digital skepticism are more likely to critically evaluate online information, helping them reduce the risk of being misled by AI-generated fake news. And lastly is detection ability, which refers to the ability to distinguish between authentic and AI-generated fake news. To assess Generation X detection ability, these studies adopt Orhan frameworks, which consists of 4 components. The first one is the news sharing source, to evaluate the credibility of the publisher. The second one is the original news item source, to assess the credibility of the original source. The next one is content level, to evaluate the strength of the news information. And lastly is the author arguments, to assess the credibility and trustworthiness of the author's argument. In summary, based on this literature review, this study proposed 3 hypotheses. The first one is digital literacy has a positive influence on detection ability. The second one is digital skepticism has a positive influence on detection ability. And lastly, both variables simultaneously has a positive influence on Generation X ability to detect AI-generated fake news. Next, I'll be explaining the methodology of this study. For the research design, this study adopts a quantitative approach with an online questionnaire distributed through Google Forms using snowball sampling. For the sample and population, a total of 205 Generation X respondents aged 45 until 60 from the Greater Jakarta area, Jabodetabek, participate in this study. For the measurement, digital literacy and digital skepticism were measured using a 4-point Likert scale, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Meanwhile, detection ability was measured by asking respondents to evaluate 8 news items, consisting of 4 authentic and 4 AI-generated fake news items, as shown in this picture. Using a 4-point credibility scale ranging from very credible to very not credible, the AI-generated fake news items were reverse coded for further analysis. Finally, the data analysis will include validity and reliability tests, normality tests, Pearson correlation, and multiple regression with significance value of 0.05 using IBM SPSS. Now let's look at the result. The first one is the demographic profile of the respondent. These studies involved 205 Generation X respondents from Jakarta metropolitan area, Jabodetabek. Most respondents were female, live in Tangerang, aged between 50 to 55 years old, held a bachelor degree, and work as entrepreneurs and employees. In summary, this characteristic suggests that the respondent had relatively strong educational background and generally exposed to digital technology. For the data validity and reliability test, as shown in this figure, all measurements items were valid because each item met the required validity threshold, which above 0.138. Therefore, all indicators were suitable for further analysis. The descriptive statistic analysis show that Generation X generally has a high level of digital literacy, with a total mean of 59.18. The highest score is in the access and the reflection dimension, while the lowest is in the create and act dimension. This suggests that although respondents are generally good at accessing and evaluating digital information, they tend to be less active in creating digital content and engage in digital participation. Furthermore, Generation X also demonstrates a relatively high level of digital skepticism, with a total mean of 27.32, and the results show that they tend to be more vigilant toward the information present in the news, rather than the news source itself. Meanwhile, for the detection ability, the total mean was 26.27. The results show that respondents performing slightly better at identifying authentic news rather than AI-generated fake news. And the next is the hypothesis testing result. There are 3 main findings. The first one is, although Generation X shows a high level of digital literacy, it did not have a significant influence on detection ability, with a p-value of 0.423, which is above the significance level of 0.05. In addition, the relationship was weak, with a Pearson correlation of 0.141. This indicates that having a high level of digital literacy competencies alone is not enough to help Generation X detect AI-generated fake news. Therefore, hypothesis 1 was rejected. And the second finding is, digital skepticism had a positive influence on detection ability, with a p-value of 0.005, which is below 0.05. It also showed a positive relationship with detection ability, with a Pearson correlation of 0.230. This indicates that higher level of digital skepticism can improve Generation X ability to detect AI-generated fake news. Therefore, hypothesis 2 was accepted. And the last finding is, when both variables were tested simultaneously, they show a significant influence on Generation X detection ability, with a p-value of 0.003 and an f-value of 5.951. Therefore, hypothesis 3 was accepted. In addition, digital literacy was positively correlated with digital skepticism, with a Pearson correlation of 0.756 and a p-value of 0.000. This indicates that respondents with higher digital literacy also tend to have higher level of digital skepticism. However, the study also revealed that the R-squared value was relatively low at 0.056. This means that digital literacy and digital skepticism only explain 5.6% of the variation in detection ability, suggesting that other factors may also influence Generation X's ability to detect AI-generated fake news. In conclusion, this study showed that digital literacy alone did not significantly improve Generation X's ability to detect AI-generated fake news, while digital skepticism has a significant positive effect and can improve Generation X detection ability. Moreover, when both variables were tested simultaneously, they has a significant but weak explanatory power, suggesting that other factors may also influence detection ability. Therefore, in today's generative AI era, Generation X should not rely only on digital literacy competencies, but should also strengthen digital skepticism and other competencies such as AI literacy to better detect AI-generated fake news. Based on the conclusion, this study offers the following recommendation. The first one is for policymakers. They should strengthen AI regulation and improve transparency through AI content labeling and detection system. The next one is for educational institutions. They should develop AI literacy program and public awareness campaign to reduce AI-generated misinformation. Meanwhile, for Generation X, they should maintain a critical and skeptical attitude online while improving digital literacy to reduce bias and misinterpretations when engaged in digital participation. Finally, for future research, they should also explore other factors that may influence Generation X's ability to detect AI-generated fake news, such as AI literacy, media trust, critical thinking, and prior exposure to AI-generated content, considering the weak explanatory power of this study. Future research should also expand this study by exploring a cross-border population and samples, a diverse research method such as using qualitative and mixed method approach, and others emerging AI-generated fake news formats, such as deepfake videos for the experimental text. Overall, these studies provide a better understanding of the roles of digital literacy and digital skepticism in Generation X's ability to detect AI-generated fake news, thereby contributing to a more critical and a smart digital resilient society in the age of generative AI. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. If there's any questions, I would be happy to answer them. Thank you and have a great day.